Multifaceted. It's an award actually that I really cherish, and I'm privileged. I know I'm privileged to be in a position that I can be free in my mind and free in my choices, and also the people who have given me the platform to be free and to have the dream to be limitless. It also means that the industry has welcomed me and has given me that platform, the people who I've worked with. So to be versatile is something I really cherish, and I hope that I can constantly be that and have limitless dreams and realize those dreams always. Because that's what I always want to do.
Are you excited to be part of Padmavat?
I'm not going to answer that question, but I will say that it is any actor's dream to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. He's amazing, and it's my dream too.
Okay, the dream is fulfilled, right? But we do hear Jayaji recommended your name to Sanjay sir, so anything on that? But what is it about Sanjay Leela Bhansali that makes him a dream director for every actor?
There's passion in every single second of every single nano pixel of his frame. So that passion is just so... it drives you, and obviously it's infectious, and it's amazing, and that is what we all live for, right? To have passion in your work and to be inspired and to be able to respect somebody so much. I really have the utmost respect for him.
You come from a royal family, to be part of a film which is royal in itself.
I'm not going to answer your question because these are the things that you're saying. Sorry?
Tell me something about Mani Ratnam's film. The film is almost...
A dream come true to be working with Mani sir. He is incredible. He is infinitely more than what I even imagined. Again, somebody whose films I've watched as a little girl and dreamt and said one day I'm going to be there, and just to spend time with him. I'm doing dialogue classes with him, spending a lot of time with him, discovering the character with him, shooting. It's been an insane, incredible experience. Madras Talkies, the entire team, I'm very, very close to them. I miss them. I've just come from Chennai, and I always miss them. So it's really been an incredible experience, and one that I hope that I'll get again.
You learned a lot of Tamil as well?
I've tried with somebody like Mani sir sitting on the other side. It's been it's not been as crazy as I thought. It's tough, but it's been incredible. It's worth every effort. I do that and more for Mani sir.
All your dreams are fulfilled,
No, I have so many more dreams. I have limitless dreams.
Can you share any dream which you would like to achieve in?
No, dreams are magic, and dreams are secrets. So I'll tell you about my dream when it comes true. Like Mani sir's was a dream and it's come true. So the next time it happens, I'll tell you.
Ranveer,
wait a minute. Is it an exciting prospect to collaborate with Ranveer if it happens in future?
With Ranveer?
Ranveer Singh.
Yes, of course. In fact, Ranveer and I kind of started together with Shad's. He was doing a music video in France, and we started together at that time. This is almost 7 years ago. We were both jobless at that time. But yeah, it would be amazing to work with him. मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही, मैं अभी भाग रही हूँ. Please, मेरी flight miss हो जाएगी.
Where will you shoot, like in Film City or?
I have no idea. Why don't you ask Sanjay sir this question?
But no, given the fact that you're also a dancer,
Given
the fact that you're also trained in dancing, Sanjay sir, any film that you do which has a lot of dance forms. So
I've never really done a film that has a lot of dancing in it. So I don't know how it'll be, but I would love to explore that. It is something I haven't done.
Okay,
As long as you guys keep saying that I have potential, I'll keep doing more work.
कहाँ के लिए फ्लाइट पकड़ रहे हैं आप?
आपको आना है? दिल्ली.
For an award. For an award.
I'm hosting the Condé Nast Traveler Award.
Okay, देखा मैंने कहा वहाँ मिल रहा है आपको या
मैं होस्ट कर रही हूँ. अच्छा मैं भागूं प्लीज.